Synthesia boasts an impressive library of over 240 avatars, granting users the ability to craft video presentations tailored to a myriad of needs and preferences. This extensive selection not only enhances personalization but also adds a layer of uniqueness to the content, making it resonate more deeply with diverse audiences. Moreover, the platform empowers users by allowing them to incorporate music, animations, and text, thereby offering complete creative control over the video production process. Such flexibility is vital for content creators, as it enriches their storytelling capabilities and enables them to convey messages in innovative ways. In addition to its creative features, Synthesia is built with a user-friendly interface that democratizes video creation. This accessibility ensures that individuals, regardless of their technical expertise, can engage in the production process, which is crucial for encouraging a broader audience to participate in content creation. Furthermore, users can interchange avatars with a variety of expressive options, which significantly enriches their storytelling approach. By enhancing visual relatability, this feature fosters a stronger connection with the audience, ultimately leading to a more engaging viewing experience. Additionally, the video creation process is organized into scenes reminiscent of PowerPoint presentations, allowing users to structure their content effectively. This systematic approach, combined with templates and customization options, simplifies the experience of building scenes, thereby streamlining the overall production. Customization doesn't stop at visuals, it extends to choices in voice selection and text animations, offering creators the opportunity to tailor their videos to reflect their unique style and branding. Such adjustments are not only easy to implement but also significantly enhance the visual appeal of the final product. Moreover, the platform integrates triggers that can initiate animations based on specific moments in the script. This clever feature heightens viewer engagement by synchronizing visual elements with the presenter's dialogue, creating a more dynamic video experience. In tandem with these features, the ability to use customizable backgrounds and fonts enables users to produce visually striking videos that distinguish themselves from the rest. This aspect of personalization is integral to making presentations not only attractive but also effective. The AI video assistant further simplifies the video creation process by allowing users to generate content directly from scripts, prompts, or even existing documents such as PDFs or PowerPoints. This functionality showcases the potential of AI in enhancing productivity and creativity. Additionally, brand kits enable users to personalize their videos with specific fonts, colors, and logos, ensuring the content aligns with their unique brand identity. This not only enhances brand recognition but also promotes a cohesive and professional image. Adjusting the video length according to audience preferences, ranging from 30 seconds to 4 minutes, provides valuable flexibility in content delivery. This ability to tailor duration effectively can enhance viewer retention, as it aligns the video with the audience's attention span. Creating an outline instead of a comprehensive script fosters adaptability, as users can easily modify chapters and bullet points to better suit their message. This strategy significantly contributes to clearer communication and a more focused narrative. Moreover, the integration of AI technology expedites the video creation process, allowing for quick edits and changes without the extensive setups typically required for traditional filming, such as cameras and lighting. This innovation paves the way for seamless production experiences. The significance of thumbnails extends beyond mere aesthetics. They serve as an essential gateway to the content contained within the video. A well-designed thumbnail captivates viewers and entices them to engage with the video material. In addition, the choice of background music can dramatically enhance the video experience, infusing it with emotional depth. Selecting the appropriate music is crucial, as it must align seamlessly with the video's tone and overarching theme. Equally important are good audio and lighting conditions, which are pivotal in ensuring that your AI avatar appears professional. Employing a quality microphone and ensuring proper lighting can substantially improve the final output, leading to a polished product. Maintaining eye contact with the camera while exhibiting a positive demeanor during recording can significantly enhance the viewer's experience. Furthermore, natural body language contributes to a more engaging and relatable avatar, making the content more impactful. Following submission, Synthesia processes your avatar, seamlessly integrating it into your workspace. This efficient system facilitates the creation of videos using your custom avatar, further enhancing the personalized touch in your presentations.